one of the one of the attributes of Mahadeva is like being compassionate, showering that selfless love. So when we start aligning ourselves to whatever we understand as love, when we continuously decide for it, and when we continuously align to it, then automatically like all the other qualities of Mahadeva just starts filling us. And also in one satsang Swami told, only if you have a proper, only if you have Shivoham as an inner image, you can even shower that love. Otherwise, whatever you shower, like all the so-called love, will just be out of fear or some greed. Never with any lower inner image, you can never have that love at all. So when you start deciding for life, when you start showering that love from you, then automatically even the perception you have about people and you, the understanding you have about other people, life and you, everything will start flowering more and more. You'll just become like Swamiji, and you'll just start expressing all the different powers, and you'll just be like so radiating. And ultimately, whatever it is, only Swamiji should come down and make us like him. So like how in Shiva Puranam it describes, Avanarulale Avantal Vanangi. So Mahadeva has to come down to make us all realize that Shivoham. So same way, only when we, at least by our side, when we start aligning ourselves to all these qualities, so at one point divine intervention just happens and we just become like Swamiji.
What I feel is you having the uncompromised compassion to everyone. Like, see, because when you have the uncompromised compassion to everyone, you start feeling like Mahadeva's love current just start living through you. You start realizing that Mahadeva's love current is in you, and you start realizing that everyone is Mahadeva. So when I treat like one person like this, I'm treating Mahadeva himself. So when I treat like a person badly, I'm treating Mahadeva himself. When I treat a person a better way, then Mahadeva will give me 100 times more what I gave to him. So what I feel is when you have the uncompromised compassion towards everyone, you realize that everyone is Mahadeva. You start feeling the wonders, the Advaita of everyone, and Mahadeva himself will make you at one of his Bodhaganas. So that's what I feel.
My name is Nitya Satkriyananda, and currently I'm in Mumbai. And I finished my 10th in October last year, as I was doing the IGCSE course. I had no idea of coming for this inner awakening at all. I went to Cambodia by throwing tantrums left, right, center, and I don't know, Swami made it happen for me. And I made it to Cambodia, but I decided to make the reality be caused for my mother and grandmother. So this third eye awakening process, the minute I was told that, I think somebody mentioned casually that children under 14, it's 100% success. Immediately block came up. Oh, I just turned 15. A year, definitely it's not going to happen now. But I don't know, first process, I don't know, that thought just completely vanished. And slowly it developed. Obviously, it's not going to be like a miraculous, suddenly you're just seeing everything the way your eyes see it. No, absolutely not. You have to work on it as much as the master works on it. And working on it little by little, bit by bit, I've come across this extremely strange experience. I come from a very traditional and orthodox Tamil Brahmin family where everyone can read, write, speak, understand Tamil and a whole lot of other South Indian, foreign languages. And although I can speak and understand Tamil, I can not even figure out one single letter when it comes to reading and writing. But I would say, this is really weird, so hold your breath. I can read Tamil fluently, whereas I even struggle to read English, which I top in my school results. I top in English almost every time, but I'm struggling to read that. So I'm still getting rid of that SDHD. But Tamil is something I cannot read or write with my physical two eyes. But with Swamiji's amazing third eye awakening, I am reading Tamil blindfolded. And what's even more weird is that the language Telugu, which is another South Indian language, I can't even understand or speak, But I'm even reading Telugu now. So that's as amazing as it gets. So it's not that what your mind knows, your third eye is reading. It's what is there in the cosmos, your third eye knows. So he's just simply awakened your straightaway path, or I'd say door of accessing everything from the cosmos. I used to never understand why he used to say the browse center is the browsing center, but I get it now. So thank you so much, Swamiji. And I just wanted to share about that. If I can, just another thing is this Bhasma bag that we got. After Cambodia, I used to tell everyone, we're living with Mahadeva, we're living as Mahadeva. After getting this Bhasma bag, the experiences we're having, I'd say it's not even living with and living as Mahadeva, it's way, way beyond that. So I don't want to, put anything in your mind by using my words. It's just that it's an amazing experience, so you just have to be here.